When we combine rules of exponents, it's important to follow the order of operations. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with dealing with this exponent here, the squared. And we're going to share this squared with both parts of the fraction, the numerator and the denominator. And we do that by squaring each portion. A to the fourth power squared is evaluated by multiplying the exponents. 4 times 2 is a to the 8th. On the bottom, it's important to square both parts of the denominator, not just the variable. The first portion, 6 squared, is evaluated as 6 times 6, or 36. And the second portion, b to the third power, then squared, is evaluated the same way. We'll multiply these exponents, giving us b to the 6th power, 3 times 2. Now, to deal with this second portion, I'm going to turn it into a fraction by placing the term on the top. And to turn this into a fraction, we can just place this over the number 1. Next, we'll go ahead and deal with multiplication. When we multiply, we are going to multiply like terms. A to the 8th is a like term with a to the negative 8. The rule for multiplication says we add the exponents. 8 plus negative 8 is 0. That is a to the 0. That actually just goes away. We are then left with 9b in the numerator. The denominator is being multiplied by 1, so this just carries over as 36b to the 6th power. Lastly, we need to combine these b terms because they are alike, as well as the constant terms 9 over 36. If you deal with the constants first, 9 over 36, this can be simplified by dividing the top and the bottom by 9. That leaves us 1/4. B to the first, this is a little imaginary 1, over b to the 6th. We need to combine these. And we do these by subtracting the exponents. 1 minus 6 is negative 5. You might think we're done, but we can actually simplify this a little bit farther to get rid of that negative exponent. We can get rid of the negative exponent by bringing it to the opposite placement in the fraction. In this case, it's in the numerator, so we'll bring it down to the denominator. Leaving my final answer, 1/4 b to the 5th power.